give some bread to the birds and the squirrels and bunnies that come to our front and backyard. And as you know, our beloved Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was not only kind towards human, but was also kind toward all the animals. So that's why me and my baby sister decided to feed the birds and bunnies and squirrels. So, come on, Fatima. We have the bread. Oh, let's put the bread in the basket. Okay, focus on it. You want to feed the birds and the squirrels and the deer? Okay, let's go. Here, you can hold. Oh. You can hold it. Okay, let's go. I'll take the camera now. Okay, let's go, Fatima. Come on. Wait here. Let me show the bread in the basket. So we have lots of bread here. Okay, come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Upstairs. And these stairs lead to our front yard. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Where's your bag? Okay, let's go. Here, you can have one bread. Whip it, okay? Let's put the basket over here. Okay. Here, you can have this one, and I'll take one of these ones.
Fatima, what are you doing, Ma? What? Hello, Fatima. Can I ask you a question, Mamuni? What are you doing? You are feeding bird?
Not all of them here. Put some here, 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 here. And now,
How about water?
Okay, give me one and you take one, okay? Oh, we didn't put any on this side. Let's put here.
Yeah, because that's where the deers come, right? You know, describe what's happening here. Why did you put nets? Why, Ma?
Because some of the deers come at night and the mischievous deers try to come in the rose garden and eat the rose leaves. So that's why we had to put a net around it so they can't get in. But they still somehow get inside sometimes, and they eat all the rose.
These are the beautiful rose garden, right? Who made those?
My mom, me, and Gabriella. Oh, you didn't finish your bread? You already put. You want to eat it? It's not for eating.
Now you have to manage the
Water. Come on, Fatima, let's get a bucket. Hey, don't eat that. Don't eat it. That's for the birds. Let's go get the bucket of water. So now we have our buckets, and we are going to fill them up with water over here. And then we will put them near the trees so that the animals, the birds, and the squirrels, and the bunnies can drink some water. Unlike the hot days, because it's always hot, so they're going to have some water to drink. One minute.
Fatima.
I'm getting wet. Ah!
That's good.
It's heavy? Okay, put it on the back. I think this is too heavy for you. Take this one. It's light. No, it is too light. Okay, this one. Hold it with two hands. Like this. Okay. Don't drop it. Which tree should we put it? Which one do you think? Which tree? This one, or this one? How about that one? No? Not that one? Okay, one here and one there. Put it right here. Right here. Put it. So it's in the middle of both of them. Now come. Leave it. It's falling. 1 minute, Elsa. Okay, it's perfect. Now come on. Let's take this one. Don't drop it. Let's go.
Go this way.
Okay, how about here? Fatima, let's go here. I'll put mine. Okay? Now you put yours there. Oh, you're getting wet. Here, ready? Hold it on the side. Okay, now let's go. Come on. Bunny, come on. Don't get me.
Oh God, forgive me when I